This is question 4. A U-tube manometer contains oil, mercury and water as shown in figure 4. For the column height, indicate what is the pressure differential between pipes A and pipe B. So in this diagram, so please bear in mind that this circular is actually the pipe. So it's maybe like this. So you have a pipe, so and then it's connected with the U-tube, and then we have another pipe here. So this is not just a circular area. So this is actually reflect the pipes here. So the water will flow at a specific direction. So and then we need to calculate what is the differential, means the value of PA minus PB. So what we need to do is we need to start with draw a line of Pascal paradox. So it is better for us to draw a line here. So because here we found that it is mercury. Okay, so all of this is mercury. So and then the borderline is until this level. So we could say that the pressure at this point will be equal to the pressure at this point. Okay, so we could start our calculation by write this equation. P1 is equal P2, and then we could calculate the pressure of P2. So it is because of we have a mercury of 12 centimeter here, plus an oil of the height of 7 centimeters here, and also the pressure that acts on point A. So we could write as this one. So we could write as this one, and then we could calculate the pressure at point 2 here as the rho GH of this height. So mean we have 15 centimeters plus the pressure that acts on B's at point B here. So we could calculate the pressure. So we could calculate the PA minus PB as minus 15.16 kilopascal. So it is okay to have a negative pressure because what we calculate here is the difference between A and B.